Welcome to this modern villa paradise, where open-plan living meets breathtaking views. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls reveal a lush, tropical garden with towering palm trees, while a sleek infinity pool extends from the living area, complemented by wooden decking and chic outdoor furniture. Escape to this luxurious tropical villa retreat, where a spacious outdoor area features a large pool surrounded by lush tropical plants. Seamless indoor-outdoor living is achieved with sliding glass doors and a covered patio, complete with modern lounge seating for ultimate relaxation. Admire this modern tropical villa, defined by its minimalist aesthetic, clean lines, and use of natural materials like stone and wood. Surrounded by dense tropical foliage, the villa boasts a sleek wooden deck and a tranquil reflecting pool, creating a serene oasis. Experience the charm of this open-air tropical villa living room, featuring large, overhanging eaves and exposed wooden beams. Bathed in natural light, the space is adorned with lush, tropical plants and modern wicker furniture, offering a cozy and inviting ambience. Find serenity in this modern tropical villa bedroom, where a large glass wall offers views of a private garden. Decorated with natural materials like bamboo and rattan, the room features a plush king-size bed with crisp white linens and tropical-themed accents. Step into this stylish tropical villa kitchen, centered around a large marble island with sleek bar stools. Opening to an outdoor dining area, the space is surrounded by lush greenery and a wooden pergola, creating a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. Relax in this serene tropical villa bathroom, featuring a large freestanding bathtub with views of a private courtyard. Natural stone tiles, a wooden vanity, and lush tropical plants enhance the spa-like ambience, perfect for unwinding. Dine in style at this outdoor tropical villa dining area, featuring a long wooden table and modern chairs under a pergola draped in tropical vines. Surrounded by lush greenery and illuminated by hanging lanterns, it offers a warm and inviting ambience. Indulge in luxury at this tropical villa rooftop terrace, featuring a sleek infinity pool with breathtaking ocean and jungle views. Equipped with modern sun loungers, a shaded seating area, and vibrant tropical plants, it's the perfect retreat for relaxation. Welcome to this tropical villa entrance, where a grand wooden door is framed by lush greenery and a stone pathway. With a minimalist aesthetic, natural materials, and a neutral color palette, this entrance sets the tone for a tranquil retreat. Relax in this modern tropical villa lounge, featuring large, comfortable sofas adorned with tropical-themed cushions and a wooden coffee table. The space opens up to a spacious terrace, offering stunning views of a lush garden with palm trees and a serene water feature. Experience dining in this contemporary tropical villa, where a large wooden table and modern chairs are complemented by a statement chandelier. Large glass doors open to a lush tropical garden, letting natural light flood the room for an elegant dining experience. Enjoy the serene elegance of this modern tropical villa pool area, featuring a sleek rectangular pool surrounded by stylish wooden decking. Contemporary sun loungers, a large umbrella, and lush tropical plants create a relaxing and tranquil environment. Discover a tranquil workspace in this tropical villa study, featuring a large wooden desk, a modern office chair, and a wall of bookshelves. The large window offers inspiring views of a lush tropical garden, creating a peaceful and motivating environment. Elevate your entertaining at this stylish tropical villa bar, featuring a sleek modern counter and high stools with tropical-themed decor. The bar opens to a spacious outdoor terrace, offering stunning views of the surrounding jungle for the perfect guest experience.